Do you know what I love about my life?
I get to wake up every day to do something I love. I get to inspire people to do the things that inspire them. It's the most wonderful thing in the world. In fact, the best part is trying to figure out all the different ways I can do it. Here's one. When I clean out my messy closet, I organize everything that's in there. And I go through items I don't need or don't ever use, and I throw them out to make more space for the things I need and actually use. And then the next time I open that closet after cleaning it, it feels like a breath of fresh air. Then the open space and organization bring a sense of calm and satisfaction to me. You need to clean out old worries and emotional issues that do not serve you. Take a methodical approach, my friend, like cleaning out a closet, and free yourself of each unnecessary fear and worry at a time. The result will be uplifting. See you next time.